Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some curly hair must-have items. These items are items that I feel they are must-have for me. I feel like every curly girl should have these items. Throughout this video, if there is something that I don't mention and you feel like it's a must-have, make sure to leave it down in the comments so I can try it out. Before getting into this video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. Okay, so the first item that I feel like is a must-have is a silky bonnet. Putting this on protects your hair from breakage. I feel like after I started using these to go to sleep with, my hair, it's much easier to restyle the next day because this is actually keeping my hair in, like, protected, and you know, my hair is not moving around that much, and if it does move around, the material is silky, so it's not gonna mess up my curls or everything like that. So I feel like this is a very big must-have for every curly girl out there. I actually have a few. I have 3. The other one I couldn't find actually because a girl can never have too many. I'm not gonna lie, I do, when I first bought it, I feel like I did look funny putting it on my head. But hey, anything to protect your curls, okay? So the second must-have in my list is actually in the same category to go to sleep, and it is a silky pillowcase. The pillowcase is also good to keep your hair styled, and you know, when you wake up in the morning, it's not gonna be frizzy. So it's going to maintain your curls, and it's gonna help with the frizziness and make sure you wake up looking okay, you know? So this silky material pillowcase is a must to protect your hair. Next thing that I feel like is a must is a Denman brush. I feel like ever since I started using this Denman brush to style my hair, I've seen a new world. I use this to brush my hair while I'm applying the products, and it helps, you know, the products apply evenly throughout the hair. And also you can actually define your curls with a Denman brush. So if you want to have like a really extreme curl definition, you should definitely try using the Denman brush. I'm gonna link a video up here so you guys can take a look at how I define my curls with this Denman brush, but I feel like this is a must-have. Okay, so the next item is something that I use to detangle my hair, and that is the wide tooth comb. I feel like this is a must-have because I actually use this for 2 things. So I detangle my hair with this when my hair is wet, and I also use this to give my hair some volume. So once my hair is styled and nice and like dry, I would just go in and like kind of like push, you know, go around and try to give my hair some volume with this wide tooth comb. So another thing that you could use for volume, and I feel like is a must have, is a hair pick. I feel like every single girl should have one of these. This is actually my boyfriend's. When he had longer curly hair, he would pick his hair with this, but he no longer has his hair long, so I started using it, and I feel like this changed my life. I feel like this really does give you volume whenever you like pick your hair with it. I do it mostly at the roots so you can really like get volume around there, because one thing I dislike is to see my like the top area to be like flat, and I feel like this does a great job at giving me the right volume that I want and I need. If you have curly hair, what you want is volume, of course. So if you want volume, this is what you need. The minute that I started using this and also the Denman brush, I feel like those were like life-changing for me. So I feel like every girl should try it. Every girl should have one of these. And yeah. The next item that I feel like is a must-have is for girls that go to the gym or work out at home, or you clean around the house and you want to push your hair back. It is a hairband, but this hairband is a silky material. So just like the pillowcase and also the bonnet, this material is going to protect your hair, and it's also not going to cause any breakage. So this is a must-have. So if you're going to the gym and you're sweating and you're around the house and you want to push your hair back, this is a must-have for you. Or even if you want to wear it as just an accessory, like you want to style your hair with this, like put your hair in a bun and then just put this as an accessory, you can also do that. Just make sure that the material is silky. I have one that's not. Like this one is a hairband and it's not silky, and if I were to wear this one, my hair would just get dry and just puffy, and it's just gonna mess up the style and the curl pattern in the front. So I would not recommend getting this material. I said silky material. So the next item is going to be a bottle of water, and I feel like this is highly necessary when you have curly hair to refresh your curls, because you could easily, okay, you could wet your hair with, you know, wetting your hands in the sink and just kind of like going over your hair, but I feel like that kind of pulling on your curls, and that's just gonna mess up your curl pattern and mess up your hair, your style. So I feel like with a bottle of water, you could just mist your hair and it makes it a lot easier to restyle your hair. Another thing that you can do whenever you have water in here, you can actually mix some drops of essential oil and mist your hair. Okay, the next item that I feel is a must-have is some scrunchies. So of course you need scrunchies to tie your hair up and just keep it away from your face whenever you just don't want your hair down. But I decided to add this to the video because I highly suggest for you to get this kind, the ones that are big, you know, like back in the day, like in the 80s and 70s. These are way better for your curls than these small ones like this, because these, whenever you let's say you do a ponytail with these little ties, it's hard for you to take it out. So all you're doing is pulling on your hair and trying to take this off, and it's just gonna cause some breakage. So you don't want to use these. You want to make sure you're using big scrunchies like this, that is gonna be easier for you to remove when you are done using it. So yeah. So the next item is a must-have for drying your hair after you wash it. I know a lot of girls use a microfiber towel, but what I like to use to dry my hair is a t-shirt, a cotton t-shirt. This is actually like, it's strictly just to dry my hair. This is the t-shirt that I use, and the reason why I use a t-shirt is because of course like a microfiber towel will do the same trick as a t-shirt. So I already had this at home, so why spend more money when I could just use this t-shirt that I have at home. But the reason why you want to use a t-shirt or a microfiber towel is because a regular towel will dry your hair too much, and it's going to remove too much natural oil and moisture from your hair, causing extra frizz. So that's something you don't want. So you want to make sure that you're using something that's going to take away, you know, it's going to dry your hair enough but not too much. So this is why I use the t-shirt, because it's more gentle on the hair and it causes less frizz. And you can find a microfiber towel anywhere. You can find it online, at the store, anywhere. Just go on Google and search it. But for me, I feel like I've been using, ever since I started my curly hair journey, I started using a t-shirt and I just stuck with it. It works for me, so that is what I use to dry my hair. So yeah. The next item on my list of must-have is a diffuser. This is great to dry your hair and also to add some volume. I like to air dry my hair, but I also like to add some volume to the hair when using the diffuser. Also, it helps minimize frizz. So I feel like this is something that every curly girl should have. So all you do is get the diffuser and connect it to your blow dryer and just start blow drying your hair like this. And yeah, so that is it for this video. That is all of the items that I feel like are a must-have for every curly girl out there. If there's something, like I said in the beginning of the video, if there's something that I didn't mention that you feel like is definitely a must-have, make sure you leave it down in the comments below so I can check it out and try it as well. Maybe it'll become a must-have for me as well. So yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also like this video to support my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. Every curly girl, I can't talk right now. And also the bonnet, a hair band. I cannot talk. I just could go to sleep right here. What do I want to say? I don't know. So I did.